instead of putting on a new pair of glasses and changing how we look at the way of the thing that we were going after that we wasn't successful at, and changing the way that we look at it. And I'll be honest with you, family, it's not easy. It's constant work. I have two choices though. I can constantly continue with the same mindset of saying it's not going to change, or I can change. I can look with a different mindset and says I have an opportunity to change it. And again, it's not easy. I wish I could tell you that it was easy, but it's not hard either. And I'm not perfect, family, when I share this with you. But the point I'm trying to make is that taking our ability to really look at turn the failures into a learning launch pad. When I failed the PMP, not once, not twice, not three times, I had to look at myself like, what am I doing wrong? I'm coaching and teaching people how to pass this thing, and they're passing, and I'm not passing. What am I doing wrong here? And I started going down that whole trail, and then eventually I said, well, let me look and see what were some of the things that were happening to me. Why was I rushing to finish the test late? Okay, I got it. I was using my analytical. I was being too analytical on the question instead of taking a different approach of how I answered the question.